I'm Poppy Lee, I'm from Brisbane. I started out on Instagram just documenting our life, so it went from all about mum life into renovating and DIY. I'm really excited to do a little boys' room because everything's little girls in my world. I'm really looking forward to it. I've got a lot of ideas. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, we could do a lot with this space. Looks great. It just needs to be updated. It just doesn't feel very modern. The window frame's a really great size. We'll obviously paint all the skirts and we'll put some exciting colour on the wall as well. This is a great space, and with a little bit of updating on a budget, we can really turn this space into a fantastic area. Kids' bedroom on a budget, I've got this. Shutters are fantastic, so not only great for privacy, but they modernise the space pretty much instantly. And you can do them yourself now. Couldn't be easier. Bunnings has this fantastic service called Click and Collect, and I'm all about online shopping and saving some time. So Click and Collect is just magical. The really fun thing about being a kid is you can kind of make your space as fun as you want. I think we'll give a mural a go. I'm going to show you how to make a really cool play tent on a budget. I'm going to be putting a mocha house bed in here, and we're going to cover it in fairy lights and pom-poms and things like that. Just really give it a lot of personality. I'm definitely going to upcycle a piece of furniture in here. I think a chest of drawers would look great. I'm ready to get started. Let's make this room over. Alrighty, what do I have to work with?
Surprise!
We're from Bunnings.
And we're here to help.
You ready to make over this room, guys?
Absolutely.
I'm really excited about it. We have a lot of fun. We're just taping up all the skirts right now. I have to go for a quick trip to Bunnings to pick up a couple of things. So I think a lot of people forget that arts and crafts are here at Bunnings as well. It's not just all tools and things to DIY and reno. So I'm actually going to be making a project today using a few little bits and pieces from this section. We're actually going to be painting all of the walls, but two of the walls are going to be this beautiful Happy Days blue.
Hi, how are you today?
Hello, I've just got a Click and Collect order to get a lamp.
Yeah, not a problem. Can I just have the confirmation email?
Sure enough.
Perfect. I'll just go get it for you. It won't be long.
Thank you.
All good to go.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Not a problem at all.
How easy is that? The Bunnings plantation shutters are actually really well priced. They're very cost effective, but you can't just pick them up off the shelf. You will have to custom order them. So I pre-ordered my shutters and they're ready to go back at the house. If you guys want to keep going on the white, I'm going to get going on this feature wall. I'm really happy with how the colour's coming along. We're going to be putting a really cool mural in the kids' room. So step one is just marking it out on the wall, and then take a step back, have a look whether or not you like it. And then step two is just marking it out with tape. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So a really good tip that I learned from Maddie is you should peel the tape off while the paint is still wet. You've got less of a chance of peeling off the paint that way. I am a paint expert. This is the mocha house bed. I say scrap the Allen key and use a drill bit. That's my biggest tip for flat packing. Saves time, saves marriages, that's for sure. I can remember when I was a child having a set of drawers just like this. I got this one free off Gumtree. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. It just looks hideous. We can change that. So I am going to give it a little sand back. So the next step in vamping up our hideous set of drawers is to paint them. I'm going to coat the front of the drawers with some leftover wallpaper. Handles are fantastic. I'm really excited about them.
They're really cool and they're super easy to put on.
Now it just looks like this unique bespoke piece that's going to look great in the room. Right, Ben, these are our plantation shutters that I ordered from Bunnings, and I'm so happy with them. I think they look incredible. Once we pop the frame in, it's going to work perfectly. These shutters come in 25 different sizes, which is incredible, and they're from a Queensland company. Go Queensland. All you need to do is assemble the frame, then you pop the frame into the window and adjust the sides with this Allen key, and then pop the shutters in, and that's it. Oh my God, these look
It's
amazing!
incredible.
Aren't they awesome? And we did it in maybe like, what, 4 minutes?
Yeah, tops.
The drop sheet that I got from Bunnings earlier, we are going to be using that and a few bits of timber into a fabulous play tent that my girls would love to play with. We need to fold over the edges on the drop sheet so we create little corners that the timber pieces will be able to sit in. There you go, how good is that? So
It's
all we need
perfect.
to do now is just move it into the room and style it.
Yes! Looks good, guys.
So good, it looks
Awesome.
beautiful.
It's amazing.
We've done a really lovely job. I am so happy with this room. You walk in, you would not even know it was the same space. It looks incredible. I love the mural. I really love it. I think it's come up so well. The shutters are incredible. I cannot believe the transformation. The bed looks so beautiful. It's just magical. I'm really happy with how that's come up. I think it fits in this space perfectly. It looks like a little bit of a coastal California kind of theme. I really love the feel of the whole room. It's just beautiful. I cannot believe that not long ago this room was just such a drab, outdated space. Now it just looks like something from a magazine. It's stunning. Hi babies. Do you want to see the room? That one says reach for the stars. And look down here, you'll like this one. Look, it's a play tent. Good work. I literally just got a thumbs up. I think they like it.
Maybe this is an Australian thing.
It's like a microphone.
18, Shaden and Georgia from MAKEOVER here.
Check out our bathroom and ensuite renovation.
We've got to rip this vanity out. Hi Georgia, I'm a rimless bowl. Bang me.
You're right.
I'm locked in. Can you please open the door?
Right, it's stuck in there.
Help me.
If you thought this episode was good, make sure you go watch another one. Or click like and subscribe to the Bunnings YouTube channel. You will not regret it.